Hello, and welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, here to bring you the latest and greatest in Web3, so with that, let's dive in. Our Discord community has grown to 3,642 members. This vibrant group of tech enthusiasts and innovators is the perfect place to share ideas, so if you haven't joined yet, now is the perfect time. Over on social media, we shared a new video on how to transfer your NFT.storage files over to Pinata. This step-by-step guide ensures your content remains safe and accessible, so be sure to check it out and secure your digital assets. This week, we are focusing on Sablier. Sablier is the innovative protocol transforming how businesses and DAOs manage payments. They offer a robust solution for streaming money and distributing tokens in real time. Whether it's for payroll, vesting, airdrops, or grants, users can utilize Sablier's Ethereum-powered smart contracts to handle transactions seamlessly. Recipients can withdraw funds at any time without further action needed from the sender. Sablier has been providing a secure, efficient, and cost-effective payment infrastructure, and it's completely free to use, apart from the blockchain's gas costs. In exciting Web3 news, Backdrop Build V5 is set to launch on July 1st. This 4-week program is designed to help builders launch innovative projects using Pinata and other tech. From NFT media storage to powering AI models with IPFS, Backdrop Build has supported thousands of projects, helping them gain traction and secure funding. We're so eager to see the new and unique use cases you bring to the table this year, especially those utilizing our API and IPFS gateways. Don't miss your chance to participate and possibly win an amazing prize. Have you explored our new crypto option yet? Just over a month ago, we launched a quick MVP to allow customers to pay with crypto. The response has been overwhelmingly positive, and it's clear that our community values this addition. Despite a somewhat manual sign-up process initially, many users embrace this method for its simplicity and security. We are now planning to refine and enhance this service based on your feedback. For those interested, our annual plans can be purchased using crypto, and we encourage you to visit our pricing page for more details. And that's all for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below for more exciting updates from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy penning. Bye, guys!